Hi, Paul Hogendorn, FreePoint. Just want to summarize some of the things that we've been sharing over the last sessions, recapping some of the most important things. Right off the bat, the first thing to remember is what's referred to as Pearson's Law. We've said many, many times. You've heard us say this, us at FreePoint say this, what gets measured gets improved, but it goes a little further than that. When performance is measured, performance improved. When performance is measured and reported back, the rate of improvement accelerates. This we have seen to be true many, many times. That's another thing that I think is very, very important. You can't hit a target that you didn't set. I see a lot of people that are going about improvement with the idea of achieving improvement non-specifically. They haven't set specific targets. They haven't set specific goals. You can't hit a goal you didn't set. Wayne Gretzky, a Hall of Fame hockey player, said, "You miss 100% of the shots you didn't take." It's the same thing with goals. If you don't have specific goals in mind, you're going to miss 100% of them. I'll go so far as to say, if you only have general overall goals like improved profitability or improved productivity, you'll likely not achieve those goals neither. You have to have very, very specific, tangible, tactile goals that matter to the people you expect to execute them. If the goals don't matter to them or are not relevant to them, they won't achieve them. If they don't achieve their goals, you won't achieve your goals.